Before you begin, remove the service cover. Removal. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the base enclosure and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the solid-state drive. Important: when installing the solid-state drive, be sure to align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot in the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.